Jefferson City, Missouri. Edited news release. The Missouri Department of Health and Senior Services, DHSS, is working with the Louis County Department of Public Health to notify individuals who may have been exposed to measles March 13 or 14 involving a popular attraction. Known locations where exposures may have occurred on March 13 are the Magic House in Kirkwood, Missouri, Rocconelli's New York Pizzeria in Kirkwood, Missouri, and Homewood Suites in Chesterfield, Missouri. The only known location where exposure may have occurred on March 14 is Homewood Suites in Chesterfield, Missouri. This is an ongoing investigation, so information may change as the investigation continues. Measles is a highly contagious, acute viral illness that is transmitted by contact with an infected person through coughing and sneezing. Patients are considered to be contagious from 4 days before until 4 days after the rash appears. The measles virus can remain infectious in the air for up to 2 hours after an infected person leaves an area such as a waiting room. Measles is vaccine-preventable disease. You can check with your healthcare provider to make sure you and your family are up to date on vaccines. The symptoms of measles generally include a rash that appears 7 to 21 days after exposure. Measles typically begins with a high fever or cough, a runny nose, or red, watery eyes. 3 to 5 days after symptoms begin, a rash starts to appear. The rash usually looks like flat red spots that break out first on the face and spread downward to the neck, trunk, arms, legs and feet. People who may have been exposed to measles should contact their healthcare provider if they develop cold-like symptoms with a fever and/or rash as described above. If you may have been exposed to measles and you have symptoms, you should not go to any healthcare facility without calling first. This will help the healthcare facility prepare for your arrival and allow the facility to provide instructions to you to reduce possible exposures to others at the facility. If you are diagnosed with measles, it's important to follow the instructions of your healthcare provider and public health officials to protect your family and community. Healthcare providers should isolate suspected measles case patients and immediately report suspected cases to the local public health agency or to DHSS at 573-751-6113 or 800-392-0272 outside normal business hours.